seva to our Tamil film also. See, we should to be proud to say that, and we are very happy to say that, So we didn't get a 17,600 and got a certificates also. It's very nice, So it's proud. We are proud to say that, like, nobody can sing in this world. All the exceptional, outstanding performance, and she's having extraordinary world also, we can say. Case in 1955, Melly say, here she sang that ஆலயமணியின் ஓசையை நான் கேட்டேன் அருள்மொழி கூறும் then முத்தான முத்தல்லவோ and sorry, Jayalalitha also she sang more song, and old very nice song is together. Yes, I got a medal also, very nice, and Jayalalitha and Madam Suiseela Madam Nightingale has sang a song to Jayalalitha dance and everything, and for very happy to inform that for Jayalalitha also, Madam also our night sang a song. So proud to say that Jayalalitha and gave that rewards and certificates and from the Tamil Nadu government. Okay, very nice. தோன்றி புகழோடு தோன்றலும் தோன்றாமல் நின்று வள்ளுவோடு தோன்றா இதை போல் பிறக்கணும். நாய் பேயாக பிறந்து இருந்தது உலகத்தில். இப்படி எவ்வளோ பாட்டு படிச்சிருக்காங்க. 17,600 Suiseela Nightingale sang a song and got and all good singer. Used to sing a song, very very nice song, and Jayalalitha told that. Jayalalitha sang and Maganadu Kalaignar also told that even our Nightingale belongs to Telugu, even though she has sung a song in Tamil very well. So it is not really a joke to say that how she is getting a extraordinary, outstanding performance, outstanding talent to sing a song like that. Semmali Maganadu, our Kalaignar also told. The Kalaignar also told that, and awards, rewards, and everything, and they used to give it, sir, for more than 50 years, more than he had worked in all 12 languages. Languages used to sing. Then after AVM studio also, he has gone and under AVM production. They had made a film of Jayalalitha, Madam Shivaji, actor Shivaji, and so heroines are there. She looks like very nice, very simple, and there is rather music, and the old musician, and Jayalalitha told that for so Sandhyana for also that Suiseela Jayalalitha told and gave the all the rewards, certificates, and everything. So it's a prestige, for central government, state government, all rewards in all languages for Andhra, Telugu, Kannada, Kerala, all 12 languages used to get an award. There is a prestige. Our to sing a song with our SP Balashubramanian. They are very proud. They are having the 2008 one song save us to give money to for medical check. Very nice, All the people are there, very talented people. And our Suiseela Madam says she got many rewards from the central government as well as the state government award rewards in all 4 South Indian languages to sing 7 new artists also, and she used to sing a very old song under the old musicians and new musicians also. It is a Sonada and some other great singers, and she has done a very 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 rare things like nobody can. Name is in a Guinness book also, and all I have already told now all the languages, and they are given the medal, and after not only 1 time, 5 times, 6 times, continuously she got in all languages, not only 12 languages, 13 languages, more than 30,000 that song in 1969, 1971, 1976, and 1982 See, 1983. Say, continuously got a medal in all places, in Andhra Pradesh and in Telugu, Kannada, and like this in all our South Indian languages got a medal. And for Jeldam also used to sing a more song. Okay, so she sang a song more song. I will going to sing that song. Okay, continuously. Okay, with the dance. So that is a contribution even from my side. Song she used to sing a song. Then up to the line I know that I used to sing a song. I want to do the dance. Okay, there is a contribution given to my Suiseela had given more song to us, and I am going to give a contribution. See, as the madam 1971 and 1975, and so many medals in it. Really a surprise. 77, 78, 1982, 84 and 87. See, continuous year 89. So 6 medals I have got it. States and everything. It's not really a joking. Very, very talented like this, we never seen in this world also. So I'll get an Ashirvadam from see that our Honorable Nightingale of best singer and in the Guinness book her name is also written, and God has given everything to Nightingale of our Suiseela. Very proud to say that, and very nice life, and this is a very beautiful house of this palace. Nightingale is living, and they're all that court also will sing song of Nightingale Suiseela. Yes, in all places their sweet voices are like Rani in the palace. In their palace, she's a Rani in this palace, and they are having all amenities. Very nice, pretty palace, very nice home, house, very, very happy also. Good husband, like Dr. Morgan Rai, very nice person, smiling face. Sorry, son is Jay Krishnan, and one son I think that, and daughter-in-law Sandhya. It's a nice family, and they are having the sons, children, 2 daughters, granddaughters. Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra awards, and Guinness book the name is there, and Asian book also there. And 19 and used to sang in Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada, Bengali, Orissa, Sinhala, Sanskrit, and Telugu. 1969, 71, 76, 82, 85, 5 times got a reward. 69, 71, 76, 82, and 83, 5 times. 2 times while singing on the stage is to get 2 awards. So we should give thankful to her. It's not very easy to singing on the stage. She used to get a 2 award. One is உயர்ந்த உள்ளம் நாளை இந்த வேலை பார்த்து ஓடிவானிலா இன்று என் தலைவன் வானிலா சென்றலே தனிமை கண்டு இன்று போய்விடாது. சவாலை சமலில் சிட்டுக்குருவிக்கென்ன கட்டுப்பாடு, தென்றலே உனக்கு இது சொந்த வீடு, பறந்து பறந்து ஊர்வலம் கொண்டு விளையாடு, சிட்டுக்குருவிக்கென்ன கட்டுப்பாடு, தென்றலே உனக்கு இது சொந்த வீடு, உலகம் பறந்து பறந்து ஊர்வலம் கொண்டு விளையாடு. South Indian 2008, and central government has given award. Okay, and 1969, 80, 1969, 81, 80, 69 got a reward also. More reward she got. Government, central government has given the reward. Okay, very nice reward was given. Madam, I used to sing with Janai madam and Chitra madam, and very nice singer, Okay, and M.S. Viswanathan, Ilayaraja, Rahman. I used to sing a Bengali, Telugu, Hindi, and Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada, Oriya, Sanskritam, Singalam. We will also get a grace from we get a grace from like me. Okay, say Arthat Ambu Sutta Patila. I used to sing with Suiseela madam's son to say that Krishna, I think. So I am very glad. All song, more than 1,300 songs, more than 500 songs I used to sing with the Suiseela madam's son, I'm very, 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 very happy to say that. So many worries are there in my life and job, but I sang with the Suiseela madam's son, so really it was very happy to me. So I never get in my life also. If I die also, I will happy to die. So I am proud to say that. So I want to sing with the Suiseela madam's son, but I am very happy to say that I got a job, I got a chance to sing again. So many sasi chakkare nilave sappan nilave kanum bode kalayin எல்லாவன் குரல் என்றேன் சுசிரமணம் குரல் பிடிக்கும் ராஜாவின் பார்வை ராணியின் பக்கம் கண் தேடுதே சொர்க்கம் கண் மூடுதே so many songs, songs with the Sarojade songs, so many songs, Chittukuruvikkenna Kattupaadu, and that one crying song. Okay. ஆண்டவன் நான் மலரோடு தனியாக ஏன் இங்கு நின்று என் மகராணி அமைதியான நதியினிலே ஓடும் ஓடம் அளவில்லாத வெள்ளம் வந்தாளா காட்டினிலும் மழை used to sing with the Janaki Ammal and Chitra madam. Okay, மாட்டினிலும் மழலையிலும் கலங்க வைக்கும் and used to வாழ நினைத்தால் வாழ and one song. Used to sing one song, a new song, I think. Okay, very nice song that is. And Nightingale sang with Ilayaraja sir, Mano sir, and Rahman also. So that S.P. Palishmaran sir, Mano sir, and Janaki sir, and Raja sir, Mano sir, all the singers, nice, very nice singers used to sing a song.